Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. I am here now at the shopping center. Yeah, there is a couple over there. They have a bun. I don't know which brand. I think it's Toyota. Little bit hot inside here in the bun, but that's why I'm wearing this. And I already ate one of these. This is a pancake, chocolate pancake. I bought in Kohl's, $6. I also eat some of this last night. I am going to Newcastle later in my apartment. Yeah, I need to do something. You know, whenever there is a open camper van like that, I always have a look. Yeah, I'm getting an idea on how they did it. Yeah, how is the bed, how is the storage. Yeah, I actually prepare the setup of this van compared to the setup of their van. And we are now here in the Homemaker Center here in Taylor's Beach. Yeah, this is just about 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, maybe 10 minutes drive from Salamander Bay. Yeah, this is another shopping center, but yeah, there's no restaurant. Actually, there is one. Yeah, no, there's no restaurant. There is just kind of a food takeaway. Yeah, this is near to Bunnings Warehouse. And I actually come here because I want to go to Harvey Norman. I'm going to browse for a smartwatch. Yeah, I feel like I need a smartwatch. It's not necessary, but it's good to have, you know? Because these days, I feel like I'm being very active. Yeah, I run, I go to the gym, I swim. Yeah, so you know, this smartwatch somehow it motivates people. Well, it depends on the people, but yeah, some people, of course, they are just using the smartwatch, yeah, for you know, just to show up. But I'm not sure if I'm going to buy. I am just going to browse first. And I actually end up getting one. Yeah, this Garmin Instinct 2S Solar. Yeah, this one. And I'm charging it now and trying to connect to my device, to my phone. It's 679 but discounted just 499. I actually have a watch. Yeah, but still I'm not using because yeah, it's just for the time. There's no other purpose. Yeah, I have two watch coming from John. Yeah, John gave me two kinds of watch. And then the other one is coming from Rafael. Yeah. And this is actually my very first time to buy a watch. Very first time. Even before that I was young. Yeah, I don't remember that I bought a watch before. Yeah, it's not very significant. I don't remember. Yeah, you know this Garmin watch, this is solar. So it is going to be charged by the sun when I'm outside, whenever I'm outside. And it also has a GPS. Yeah, it's for me it's not worth it to buy Apple Watch. Because if I really like Apple Watch, yeah, I'm going to buy the most expensive one. Because that one is the latest and that one has all the features. Yeah, and I like this because it has a solar panel, it has GPS and all the other like health and you know blood pressure something, I'm not sure. Yeah, things like that. Yo, good afternoon everyone. Yeah, I am at the moment here at the laundry shop here in Mayfield, the petrol station, the cheaper one. Yeah, doing my laundry. And I also bought this $5.95 chunky beef. Yeah, that's the name of this meat pie. And meat pie is not easy to eat. It's very crusty, and so for sure it's going to be messy around because of some flakes. Yeah. Oh, my watch. This is amazing. The one that I really like is the steps. I can monitor how many steps I can do in one day. Yeah. So since morning, this today, yeah, I already did 16,697 steps. I'm doing a lot of steps because I'm working in the kitchen. So inside the kitchen, we keep on walking. I keep on walking while doing things. Yeah, moving everywhere. So those steps, they are counted. Compare that if you are working in the office. Yeah, so you are just sitting down and not walking. So your steps is very less. Yeah. Also the heart rates, it also shows the heart rate here. Heart rate or yeah, something like that. As you can see, it is showing the date and day, the time, the heart rate, battery situation, temperature today, and steps. Yeah, and the sunrise and sunset today. Okay, finally finished. Yeah, this is my uniform and this is my civilian. Yeah, nice. And the time now, yeah, it's already 5:17. Oh, today is the time saving adjustment. Yeah, so basically the time moves backward. Yeah, today I wake up at 5 o'clock and yeah, it's still dark. Before the time saving, like yesterday at 5 o'clock, it's already bright outside. Yeah. Now I don't know where I am going. Maybe I'm going back to Nelson Bay or hang out somewhere. I don't know, we'll see. I actually would like to stay a little bit more here in Newcastle. I'm actually still here in the laundry shop, but now I'm organizing my clothes. Yeah, so I'm basically going to put it back in my apartment. Yeah, all this, winter clothes. Yeah, because these days, it's not cold anymore in the daytime. Actually, it's still a little cold during the night or in the morning, but bearable. We are now here at the Jesmond Village Shopping Complex. Yeah, but I'm not going there. Yeah, I want to explore this playground. But first, I also wanted to eat first. This is what I got. This is $7.50. This is basically chicken popcorn, a bread, and yeah, a slider, like a chicken wrap, something like that. Yeah, and I used to pay using this watch. Amazing. It has a lot of good features similar to those in, yeah, I think Apple smartwatch. I think it's the same. Yeah. Because you know, Garmin, if I'm not mistaken, is very well known when it comes to, yeah, smartwatch. Especially those people who are into sports, you know, those active people, they are using similar to this watch. And we are now here at the playground. This is actually a rugby playground. Yeah, at the moment no one is playing, but later on portion they are going to light it up. Yeah, those light posts. Yeah, and I'm going to sit down here and, oh wait, I don't know, but you cannot see. There are many people over that side. They are playing volleyball. There's a group of guys here. There's a lovers over there. And yeah, this is residential area. And there's a guy over there with his phone. And I'm going to sit down here. See. Actually, in the previous days, in the previous months, yeah, if you've seen my video, I mentioned that I am tempted to buy a smartwatch. It's just that I'm not very decided during the time. Yeah, I am thinking of buying an Apple Watch, but yeah, I feel like Apple Watch is not very safe for me to use. Yeah, because I am working in the kitchen and I want my watch to be always using. Yeah, I saw some people, they have watch and they are not using, I mean they have Apple Watch, but they are using it only when they are not working. Yeah, for me I want to use the watch always, all the time, even at work, even showering, even swimming. Yeah, another thing I don't like about Apple Watch is that the battery life. Yeah, I don't like my watch to be charging every day or you know, all the time. I like my watch to be, yeah, always on and always using. I don't like everyday charging. Yeah, even Samsung watch, yeah, I don't like the charging all the time. Actually, I was about to get what's that, the G-Shock. Yeah, because G-Shock is one of the, you know, popular reliable watch, but I like smartwatch. Yeah, that's why I end up getting this one. If you notice, this one looks like a G-Shock, but this is actually a smartwatch. So basically, yeah, this is a rugged smartwatch. And actually at the moment, I already did 18,544 steps. Yeah, since yeah, this morning. And I have been using this at work. And you know, at work, while working, I actually realized that my hand is bumping everywhere. So this watch is bumping everywhere. On the table, yeah, on the plates, everywhere. But until now, there's no scratch. Hopefully, it will not get scratched. But there is another better version of this one, which is Instinct 2 Tactical, which comes with, and that one comes with a flashlight, a built-in flashlight, and more expensive. Yeah, that's it. I'm going out to my apartment. Yeah, just to drop my stuff.